Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about estimated sum and difference. Today we can discuss about symmetry and pattern. Today's portion, patterns and symmetry. Then in third standard you studied about pattern. What is a pattern? Arrangement of shapes, numbers, letters, colors, etc. in a particular order. Something is arranged in an order is called a pattern. Sometimes it is a shape or numbers, letters, colors, etc. Sometimes combination of letters and numbers, shapes and numbers, etc. Therefore, what is a pattern? Arrangement of shapes, numbers, letters, colors, all these things in a particular order. Took some examples here. A, B, B, A. Again A, B, B, A, B, B, etc. Then A, B and B, A are repeated. It is going in an order. Therefore, this is a pattern. Next, triangle 10, triangle 20, triangle 30. Next, what will come? Triangle and 40. This is also triangle and 10, 10, 10 increase. This is also going through a pattern. Therefore, the second series is a pattern. Third one, A1 is at B2Y, C3X. Can you write the next one? A, B, C. What is the next one? D. The numbers, how it is arranged? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, D4. Then next is that Y, X. Then S, W. Just back of X, W. W, X, Y, Z. Then one is from A, B, C, D, etc. Then next one is from the back side Z, Y, X, W, etc. The middle one is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Next 2, 4, 6. You can complete that pattern. Which order? Yes, this is in the addition table of 2 or multiplication table of 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 2s are 4. 2, 3s are 6. 2, 4s are 8. 2, 5s are 10. 2, 6 are 12, etc. etc. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8, etc. Next, one arrow mark to the right side, then downward, then left, upward. Can you say the next one? Yes. The first one is again repeating. Right side, then downward, then left side, then upward, etc. Next, 100, 90, 80. Then is it increasing order? No. 100 minus 10, 90. 90 minus 10, 80. Then 80 minus 10 is 70. Then 70 minus 10, 60. 60 minus 10, 50. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Therefore, this one is increasing or decreasing order? Yes, decreasing pattern. Next, 12, 15, 18. Can you say this is in an order, this is a pattern? Yes. Why? Yes, 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Then 18 plus 3, 21. Again 21 plus 3, 24. Then 24 plus 3, 27. Another pattern. Next, 5, 10, 20, 40. Is it a pattern? Is it increasing by 5 or multiplication table of how it is? 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 2, 80, 80 into 2, 160. Multiply by 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 2, 80, 80 into 2, 160. Then all these are patterns because all are arranging in a particular order. In between all. ഇതിനിടയ്ക്കുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് എപ്പോഴും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്, പാറ്റേൺ ആണ്. Then these are the examples of pattern. Next we can study about symmetry. Look this picture, this one. This is a leaf. Then I can cut this one into 2 equal portions. Look here, the same one I cut into 2. This one is a full leaf and cut into 2. Then can you say both of them are almost equal? No? The lines and the shape, both of them are almost the same. Therefore, this is called a symmetrical shape. Why it is called a symmetrical? Yes, half. We can divide into half. Therefore, it is called a symmetrical shape. Then there is a line dividing these two. This is called a line of symmetry. Then another picture, this one. Can you divide this one into 2 half? Yes, we can divide like this way. Then we can say this one is a symmetrical. This one is a symmetrical leaf. Next, here this one is also another leaf. Is it a symmetrical? Yes, we can divide that leaf into 2 equal parts. We can divide the same leaf into 2 equal parts. This is also a symmetrical figure. This one divided into half. This is a full one. Therefore, this leaf is a symmetrical picture. Understood? Now, here look, a picture in which one half of the picture is the mirror image of the other. What is my mirror image? Can you say what is mirror image? Listen here. This one is a half of the picture only given. So here, this is half of a parachute or something is given. Then, if I am keeping a mirror here, can you see the full picture? Can you see the full picture? Yes. This is called the mirror image. And in the mirror, inside the mirror, you can see a half. This one is the mirror image of the original one. This is the mirror image. Understood? If only we can draw half, and if we are keeping a mirror, we can see the full part. Understood? Can you see the full one? Yes, full picture we can. Listen here. This is a watermelon. I have a half portion and I keep it inside the mirror. Then I got full watermelon. Understood? This is called the mirror image. If we are keeping half of the shape near the mirror, then we will get the full one. Then this is the, what is it called, a symmetrical shape. Both are in same shape. Understood? Now look here. A picture in which one half of a picture is the mirror image of the other. ഒരെണ്ണം മറ്റതിന്റെ mirror image തന്നെയാണ്. Look here. This one is the shape and one is the mirror image of the other. One is the mirror image of the other. ഒരെണ്ണം മിററിൽ വെച്ചാൽ മറ്റേത് കിട്ടും. This is the mirror image. Therefore, it is called a symmetrical shape. A picture in which one half of a picture is the mirror image of the other is called a symmetrical shape. The line separating two halves is called the line of symmetry. Look, the alphabet A. Then we can divide using this line. This line is called a line of symmetry or symmetrical line. Line of symmetry. Then this is vertical or horizontal line of symmetry. This is a vertical line. Therefore, we can divide the letter A through which one? Vertical line. Therefore, this is vertical line of symmetry. But look in B. B we can also divide into half. That is also a symmetrical symbol or letter. Therefore, how it is divided? Can we divide this into like this way? No. Therefore, it is not half. We can draw the line. Which way? Horizontal. Therefore, this is horizontal line of symmetry. If we take H, then we can divide through vertical and also horizontal. This is horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. Now look, a circle or 0. Then we can draw like this way. This is vertical, horizontal, then diagonal also. Many line of symmetry we can. This is circle. We can draw like this way. Yes, any line of symmetry. Then understood what is line of symmetry? ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണത്തിനെ ഹാഫ് ആക്കുമ്പോൾ ആ ഹാഫിലൂടെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലൈനാണ് ലൈൻ ഓഫ് സിമെട്രി. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് സിമെട്രി? യെസ്, എ പിക്ചർ ഇൻ വിച്ച് വൺ ഹാഫ് ഓഫ് എ പിക്ചർ ഈസ് ദ മിറർ ഇമേജ് ഓഫ് ദ അതർ. ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് അതേ ഷേപ്പ് തന്നെ, ഒരു മിറർ ഇമേജ് പോലെ തന്നെ കാണപ്പെടുന്നതാണ് സിമെട്രി. നമ്മളുടെ മുഖം എടുത്ത് നോക്കുവാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? നമ്മളുടെ മുഖം തന്നെ അവിടെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. അതുപോലെ ഈച്ച് രണ്ടും ഒരുപോലെ ഇരിക്കും. വി ആർ ഡിവൈഡിങ് ബി, ഇത് രണ്ടും ഒരുപോലെ ഇരിക്കും. Therefore it is called symmetrical shapes and the line is called line of symmetry. Here 3 questions are given, that is exercise questions. Can you complete this pattern? Here 9 into 9 plus 7 is equal to 88. Then 9 after 98 into 9 plus 6 is equal to 888. Then 987 into 9 plus 5 is equal to 8888. 4 8s are there. Now what will come next? 9 8 987, next 9 8 7 6 into 9 is same, plus here 7 6 5, what will come next? 4. Then how many 8 will come here? 2 8 3 8 4 8. Now 5 8 will come. Understood? Now what is the next number? Here 9 8 7 6. One more number come, 5. 9 8 7 6. Next 5 into 9 have no change. Here numbers are changing in the order 7 6 5 4 3. Therefore how many 8 we want? Here 5. Therefore next we want 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Understood? One more number we want to complete. Therefore what is the next one? Yes, 9 8 7 6 5, then 4 into 9 plus 4 3 2. Then how many 8s? Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now how many 8 will come? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is also a pattern. Then first 9 only and 7. 90 10 6 9. Then 987 and 5. Then 9876 and 4. Like that the pattern is going, and the answer 8 is repeating. First 2 times, then 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, etc. Next question. 15 into 15, answer is 225. 25 into 25, 625. 35 into 35, 1225. 45 into 45, 2025. Can you complete the next 3? Look here, this 15 15, all the numbers having 5 in the ones place. Therefore its answer is always ones place and tens place numbers are 25. All the numbers have a same ones place tens place number 25. Then only change in the 100,000 etc. Then first one 2 is the answer. Here only 1 15 and 15. Therefore what to do? How can we get 2? That is this number, first number and next number. 1 കഴിഞ്ഞ അടുത്ത number എന്താണ്? 2. 1 into 2 you can multiply. 1 into 2 2. Therefore 25 is in the 10th and 1's place, and 100 place you can write 2. 1 into 2. Then next 25 will come here. Next which is the number here? 2. 2 into next number 3. 2 into 3 6. Therefore 625. Next 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25. Then what we can do? 3 into next number. 3 into 4 12. Understood? Next 5 into 5 25. Now change. Then 4 and next number. 4 5s are 20. Then can you say the next answer? Last number is 25. Then 5 and next number. 6 5s are 30. Therefore 3025. Next 65 into 65. Now 6 and next number 7. 6 7s are 42 and 1s and 10s place 20. Next 75. That is 7 into next number 8. 8 sevens are 56 and 20. Understood? For finding this one, 1 and next number for 15, 25, 35, 45, etc. Which number comes in the tens place, that number into next number. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8. Very simple way to finding the answer of the number having 5 in the ones place. Ones place a number 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ടേബിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റും. Next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 into 9. 1, 1, 1. How many ones are there? 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 ones are there. Now, what is the difference here? Same number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. And then instead of 9, which number here multiplied? 18. Then the answer changed to 2, 2, 2. How many 2s are there? 9 2s are there. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 9. There is no 8, 7, 9 into next number changed to 27. Therefore, where is the change? First number having no change. And what is here? 9, 18, 27. Can you say what is any table or something? Yes, that is the table of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Next 9 4s are next 9 into 4, that is 9 4s are 36. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 into next number is 36. Then where is the change? Only this 3 change to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 4s are there. Understood? Now here 9 4s. Next we can write 9 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 into 9 5s are 45. Therefore, how many 5s we need? Here 1 only, 2 only, 3 only, 4 only. Therefore, we can write 9 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? Now, next number. 9 6 are 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 into 9 6 are 54. Therefore, what is the answer? 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6 6. 9 6 are there. Then next we can multiply it by 9 7s are 63. Then next we can multiply 9 8s are 72. Therefore, what is the number? Here comes 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7. Next answer is 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. Then last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 into 81. Answer 9 9 times. Then this is another pattern. 1 repeating 9 times, 2 repeating 9 times, 3 repeating 9 times, etc. This is also another part. Students, from page 116, warm up there. First question, draw curves around the dots or use straight lines to form different patterns. Then first pattern is already there in the textbook and I draw one more pattern. The third dots, that place you can draw any pattern using straight line or curve. Curve means like a C, no? Seed shape. Curves you can use or straight line you can make another pattern. Draw there. And second question, one pattern is given, you can give a color. Two different way. First one in one way and second one in another way. Any color you can give. Then crayons you can use and color the picture. Third one, study these patterns and fill in the missing ones. 2 gaps are there. You can easily do A, B, C, D in the textbook itself. 1, 2, 3, all the questions you can do in the textbook itself. Page number 118, exercise 4.1. Cross the pictures that are not symmetrical. Draw the line of symmetry for those are symmetrical. There total 6 pictures are there. Then first one, Can you say it is symmetrical or not symmetrical? Yes, that is symmetrical. How can we draw line of symmetry? Vertically or horizontally? Top to bottom ആണോ left to right ആണോ? Yes, left to right we can draw a line. Then that picture can be divided into two equal halves. Therefore first one is symmetrical. Second one is a leaf. Then is it vertical or horizontal line of symmetry we can draw? Yes, that is top to bottom we can divide. Therefore vertical line of symmetry we can draw. Then A and B are symmetrical pictures. What about C? One edge is flat and other is like a curve. Therefore it is not a symmetrical shape. Next one is coconut tree is also not a symmetry. Next E and F. You can draw horizontal or vertical lines and draw line of symmetry and put tick mark if it is symmetry or into mark if it is not symmetry. Second section, add whatever is required to each of the following so as to obtain symmetrical halves. Then symmetrical line is drawn there, but something or needed to change it as a symmetrical shape. Right side, first A, right side one line is there, in left side there is no line. Therefore what to do? Using scale and pencil you can draw one more line in the left side. Then both should be in symmetrical. Like that B, then there is a curve inside. A line of symmetry is there. One side there is a curve, other side also you can draw a curve. And C and D, using scale and pencil you can draw a line for getting it as a symmetrical half. Exercise 4.3, page 121, A, B, C, D, E. 5 questions are there. Then A I already done in the board. C and D we finished, and only B and E is remaining. Question number B, all of you look. 1 into 1 1, then 11 into 11 121, then 1 1 1, first 1 time 1 only, next 2 time, next 3 time. What is the difference in the answer? First 1, then 1 2 1, then what happened? If 3 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ 1 2 3 എഴുതുക, 3യുടെ ബാക്കിലത്തെ 2 എഴുതുക, അതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കിലത്തെ 1 എഴുതുക, റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Then next 1 1 1, 4 1 into 4 1, what will become? 4 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ we can write 1 2 3 4. Then 4 don't want to repeat, then 3, ബാക്കിലത്തെ 3 2 1. Next what will come? 5 1 1 1 1 1 1 into again 1 1 1 1 1 is equal to what is the answer? 1 2 3 4 5. Then what will do? Yes, 4 3 2 1. ലെഫ്റ്റിലെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നേരെ റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് എഴുതുക, മിഡിൽ നമ്പർ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണ്ട. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ 6 1 into 6 1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then what? 5 4 3 2 1. Like that you can complete in the textbook. This one also today's homework, warm up exercise 4.1 and 4.3. All the questions you can do in the textbook itself. Thank you and have a nice day.